Have you ever thought, English is hard? You see people talking, but you do not know how to start. You feel nervous? This is normal. But what if I told you there is a secret key to feel happy and talk easily in English? It is called small talk. In this video, I will show you simple, small steps to start easy conversations. I will share new, fun stories so you can learn fast. By the end, you will know exactly what to say to start talking and keep talking in English. Stay with me and let us make English simple. Many people think good English means big, difficult words. This is not true. Small talk is about simple questions and friendly answers. It is the bridge you walk across to meet a new friend. The park bench story. Imagine a woman named Anna. She is new in a city and wants to meet people. She goes to a big park. She sees a man reading a book on a bench. Anna thinks, I must say a very long, smart sentence. She feels stress. Then she remembers, small talk is simple. Anna smiles and walks slowly to the man. She does not talk about the book. She talks about the common thing, the day. Anna says, "It is a beautiful sunny day, is it not?" The man looks up and smiles. He says, "Yes, it is a perfect day for reading." Anna says, "I agree. I like this park very much." See? Anna did not use one difficult word. She used words you know: beautiful, sunny, park, agree, perfect. The key is to talk about things that are around you: the weather, the place, the simple things. Rule number 1. Talk about the here and now, your location. Simple question example. This coffee is good, do you think? This starts the conversation. It is easy, it is safe. Starting is the first step. The second step is listening and asking more simple questions. This helps you build a connection. Small talk is 2 parts. You talk and you listen. The bakery line story. Meet Ben. Ben is waiting in a long line at a bakery to buy bread. He sees a woman in front of him. He wants to practice his English. Ben thinks, I will ask a question. Ben says, "Hello, do you come here often?" The woman, Maria, says, "Yes, I come every Saturday. They have the best bread." Now, this is the important moment. Ben must listen to the word bread and ask a new question about it. Ben does not say, I like to watch TV. This changes the topic too fast. Ben says, the best bread? What kind of bread is your favorite? Maria answers, the big brown loaf. It is warm and tasty. Ben says, oh, I will buy that one too. Thank you for the advice. What did Ben do? He listened to the key word, bread. He asked a simple follow-up question, what kind? He gave a simple, friendly response, thank you. This is how you keep the conversation like a simple ball game, catch and throw. The conversation does not need to be long, it just needs to be natural. Rule number 2, listen for a key word and ask a simple detail question about it. This shows you are interested. People like this very much. Small talk is your best friend for improving your listening skills. Why? Because people do not speak like a textbook. They speak fast. They have different sounds, accents. When you practice small talk, you train your ear to understand real English. The busy office story. Meet Chloe. Chloe has a new job. Her colleagues speak English very fast. Chloe feels lost sometimes. One day, Chloe and her colleague, David, are walking to the water machine. David says quickly, I am so glad it is almost Friday. This week was a lot. Chloe did not hear every word, but she heard Friday and lot. She knows this means he is happy the week is almost finished. Chloe does not panic. She does not worry about the small words she missed. She focuses on the main idea. Chloe says slowly, "Yes, I understand. This week was very busy." Then she asks a simple question. "Do you have good plans for the weekend?" David says, "Yes, I will go hiking." Chloe says, "Hiking sounds nice. I hope you have fun." What did Chloe learn? She learned that it is okay to miss a few words. You don't need to understand 100%. You just need to get the main idea and keep the ball game going. When you practice small talk, you hear different speech sounds. You learn how people put simple words together. You learn that people use simple words like lot, nice, fun, busy. This is why small talk is your best English class. It is a real-life practice of listening and speaking together. Rule number 3. Do not worry about every word. Listen for the main idea and respond simply. Let me tell you something very important. You will make mistakes, and this is wonderful. A mistake is just a word that teaches you the correct word. If you make a mistake, people will still understand you. They will be happy you are trying. The travel mistake story. Imagine a friend, Max. Max is traveling in a new city. He goes to a restaurant to eat dinner. Max wants to ask for a glass of water. Max says to the waiter, "Can I have 1 glass of wash?" The waiter looks confused. Max sees his mistake. He wanted to say water, but he said wash. Max smiles and points to his glass. He says slowly, "I am sorry. I need water, please." The waiter smiles very big and says, "Ah, water. Yes, 1 moment." What did Max do? He tried to speak, he corrected himself when he saw the mistake, and he stayed friendly and did not get angry. Small talk is your practice field. The more you play, the better you get. You don't need to be a champion today. You just need to be a player. Rule number 4. Use simple words, say them clearly, and always try. A simple conversation is better than no conversation. You can use simple small talk in many places. You don't need to wait for a party. Here are 3 great places and 3 simple conversation starters. Scenario 1. At the store. You see someone looking at the same fruit as you. Your simple sentence, "These apples look very good today, do you think?" Goal. Talk about a product or item you both see. Scenario 2. At work or school. You are sitting next to a new person. Your simple sentence, "I am new here. What is your job here?" Goal. Ask about their simple action or reason for being there. Scenario 3. Waiting for the bus. You are standing next to someone outside. Your simple sentence, "The bus is late today. I hope it comes soon." Goal. Talk about the time or the situation. Remember, the goal is not to have a deep talk. The goal is to say 1 or 2 friendly sentences and get a simple answer. This is your training. Every small conversation makes your English muscles stronger. You now know the secret key. Small talk is simple, friendly, and easy. It is your best tool for feeling confident. Now it's your turn to practice. Part 1. In the comments below, write 1 new English word you learned from this video, or write 1 simple question you will ask a friend this week. Part 2. Do you want more simple lessons to make your English strong? Don't stop here. Please subscribe to this channel.
Click the red button so you can continue learning simple English with me. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.